Hey guys, in today's video I will be recreating the beautiful April hairstyle. I'll have her Instagram below. She's dope, by the way, but I'm quite sure she used bundles to achieve this look, but I am going to be using a wig from OMGqueen. This is their 12-inch 150 density lace frontal wig. This wig is not like your typical wig because it comes with an elastic band. Usually you would have to sew an elastic band on your wig. You guys know I prefer this method instead of gluing a wig on. So with OMGqueen, you don't have to worry about sewing a wig band on. It actually comes on your wig. And of course it comes with your standard combs. And it also comes with an elastic band in the back where you can actually make the wig tighter, or you can make the wig smaller if it's a little bit too big for your head. So let's go ahead and put the wig on, of course. So looking at the picture, it looks like April has like an asymmetrical bob look going on with the curved C part. So I did go ahead and put a curved part in this wig. Now the good thing about this wig is it comes with 4 inches of parting space, so you get a lot of parting space with this wig. Now keep in mind the density on this wig is 150%. As you can see in the very beginning of the video, this wig definitely had a lot of body to this hair, and that's why I think this wig is going to be perfect for the look that I'm trying to achieve. Because if you look on her Instagram, like, her hair has a lot of body, and that's why I feel like it's bundles in her hair. Maybe she made a wig because it's a lot of freaking hair. So I did go in and pluck the hairline a little bit just to kind of thin it out, because like I said, the density on this wig is 150%, so the hairline is on the thicker side, but you don't have to do a lot of plucking to achieve a natural hairline. Honestly, I couldn't really figure out what exactly she used to achieve like the loose curls that she has in her hair. Like maybe she used a big curling iron, maybe she used a curling one, flat iron, I don't know. I'm quite sure they're all going to give the same look. So I just decided to use like a 1-inch curling iron the first time, bringing all the curls going towards my face, and then kind of combing out those curls, and later in the video using a bigger curling iron, still bringing those curls to my face, and then finger combing those curls and kind of combing those curls in a direction of where I wanted those curls to fall. So yeah, the 1-inch curling iron is not giving me the look that I'm going for. So I'm going to go in with a bigger curling iron and see if that's going to give me the look that I'm going for. Again, I'm still bringing all the hair towards my face instead of going away from my face like I would normally curl my hair. So at this point, I'm just kind of playing around with the curls, kind of putting the curls where I want them to be. Now, I could definitely go in and add a couple of tracks on this side to get it to be a little bit more fluffier like April, or I can tease it a little bit to get a little bit more volume. But I think it's okay like this. I am going to play with this style a little bit more off camera and wear this style a little bit more, just to see if I can play around with it some more. So yeah, I definitely think I want to start a series like this where I get inspired on social media and I try to recreate a lot of these looks using these wigs. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know below in the comment section. So yeah, thanks for watching. Everything will be below, of course. Also, make sure you check the description bar for coupon codes because you know it's going to be some in there. Thanks, guys. Bye.